Welcome back everyone. Today we will continue our fifth chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Till now we have completed few topics like what is Microsoft PowerPoint, how to start Microsoft PowerPoint, components of it, and how to create a new presentation, adding slide content, adding a new slide, and applying presentation theme. As you can see here, I have already created a file for showing you, right? So I'll use this file for making you better understand this chapter. Now the first topic will be changing the slide layout. You can change the slide layout in case the current slide layout is not suitable for the presentation. Now suppose this is my presentation. Now I want to change the layout. Now what is layout? Layout is the structure. Okay, these are the structure which we can change for betterment. Now I want, instead of this layout, I want this layout. Automatically some changes will be there. Earlier you can see it was like this. After applying the new layout, it automatically moved to the right side. Now let's do one more change. You can see here there is this structure layout. Now I want to add another layout with this. See some changes. You can see how the topic of this slide has been transferred, has been moved to the right side. Okay, this way we can make any changes in the slides. Let's do with this slide how we can change the layout of the first slide which contain only image. We can write the title at the top. Computer. With this we can increase the font so that it can be visible easily. Okay, so this way we can change in every slide the layout. Now let's move forward. We will learn how to save a presentation. You can see here I have already created many slides. So I want to save this presentation in my desktop. Now what is desktop? When we open our computer or laptop, the first screen which appears in front of us is called desktop. I want that presentation file should come here in the desktop. So what we will do, we will go back to the presentation file, and here we will find this button, okay, office button. When you will click here, you will find a option save. Click on the save button and automatically your file or presentation will be saved. Now next is closing a presentation. Now how to close this presentation properly? Okay, so first we will go here at the corner of this window screen. You will find the option red cancel, okay, that is appearing in a red color. This is the cancel button at the corner of this window. Automatically when you will click over this button, your file will be closed. Fine. Next is opening an existing file. So you can see here I have just closed the presentation file. Now I want to go back to my existing file which I have created and saved, and then I just close the file. Now for going back to the file, we should know where that file is located. Okay, अगर हम किसी के घर जाते हैं तो जाने से पहले हमें उसका पता होना चाहिए, उसका एड्रेस हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. तो हम अपने एक फ़ाइल के पास जा रहे हैं जो हमारे ही किसी फ़ोल्डर के अंदर है. तो मुझे पता है कि मेरा जो फ़ाइल मैंने क्रिएट किया था, विच फाइल आई हैव क्रिएटेड, दैट फाइल इज़ originally located here, my work. Okay, I'll click over it, I'll open the folder, then I'll find here the class 4th content. You can see here class 4th. That file is located inside this folder. This is that file which I was showing you as the example. So this way we have created a file and save our presentation file and open it again. Fine. Now our next last topic of this chapter is a slideshow. Now what is slideshow? A presentation may have many slides. So for displaying on a full screen one after the other, this process is called a slideshow. Now you can see here the first slide is containing this one. This is the first slide, and this is a second slide, and this is a third, and this fourth. Now I want these slides should run one by one in my full screen of the laptop, right? So what we will do, we will go here. Actually there are 3 options what we can do. So I'm going to show you each and every option practically. Now the first is click the slideshow tab and use the option from beginning in the slideshow group. When you will go here, okay, in the slideshow option that is located nearby the animation slideshow. Now you will find the first option from beginning, means शुरुआती से, ठीक है. Now when you will click here in the from beginning, automatically your slide will start run, right? So this is the first way to run the slide. Now second way to run the slide is press F5 key on the keyboard. You can see in your keyboard there is F5 key. Here F is a function key. So you have to just press the F5 key. Automatically your slide will start running. Okay, so this way we have learned 2 ways to start our presentation slideshow. Now the last method for starting slideshow is click slideshow view. Slideshow view from the status bar. You can see here this is the slideshow. Now I want to slideshow with the third option. So this way we have learned what is PowerPoint presentation, how to start PowerPoint, and the different components of PowerPoint window, how to create a new presentation file, how to add slide content, how to add a new slide, and how to apply presentation theme, changing the slide layout, and saving a PowerPoint presentation, closing a presentation, opening an existing presentation, and at last we have learned how to start a slideshow with 3 different methods. Okay, hope you understood each and every part of this chapter.